What you guys, got another video on how to download and install an earlier version of Windows 10. Now, getting your hands on an earlier version of Windows 10 is never easy, but it is when you know how, and we're going to be using some software called Rufus to actually download an earlier version of Windows 10. Now, Rufus is a piece of software which you can use to create a bootable USB flash drive, which you've seen me use many times before, but this software actually has the ability to download earlier versions of Windows 10 and Windows 8.1. So that's what we're going to be doing here. So first off, let's go ahead and download Rufus portable version, and you can get it on their website here. Just click on download, and I'm going to save this to our desktop so we can then open it up. So let me just put that on the desktop, and then what we'll do is close that off. And here we have our file right here. So what we're going to do is open this up, double click on it and open it up, and you can allow the application to do a download of an update if you want to by saying yes, and this will open the application up, as you can see here. So you can see I don't have any sort of USB flash drive plugged in or any of that sort of stuff yet, but that doesn't matter. All we're using it for is to download our ISO image. So you can see we've got disk or ISO. That's important. You need to make sure that that area is selected there. And on the other side you should see select. This is where you would select your ISO, but use the little drop down arrow and change that to download. Once we've got that selected to download, we can then click on the download button, and this will open up the option for us to get our ISO. So you can see download ISO image Windows 10. Now you can also change this to Windows 8.1 as well by hitting the drop down arrow if you wish, but we're going to concentrate on Windows 10 for this video. Click on continue once we've got that done, and this will then take us to the next step, which is our release. So this is our build which we can download here, so you can change it. This is the latest version, so we can hit this download arrow here, and basically you'll see a bunch of them here. So you've got a load of different versions right the way back from when they first started to do Windows 10. So let's just assume you want to get say 1809. You can download 1809 R2 by clicking on this here. You can see the date is on there as well. Just select that version just for this video and then click on continue. You've got the editions which you can download here, which is Windows 10 Home or Pro, and you also have Windows 10 Education versions there as well. Click continue and move on to the language area, which allows you to choose a different language. So depending on what language you want, whether you are in another country, you can select the required language you want there. I'm going to leave this as English International and then click continue. Once we've done that, we can now choose our architecture. This will be in 32-bit or 64-bit version. So x64 is going to be for 64-bit and x86 is 32-bit. So we're going to leave that as. You can select it to download using a browser if you wish. I'm just going to hit download and let Rufus take care of all of that for us. So we're going to hit download here and choose a location to save it. You can see now it's named our ISO image Windows 10. Now the download will take a fair bit of time because it is 4.7 gigabytes in size, so you just have to be patient and let that download. That will depend on your download speed and also the speed that the server allows you to download the file at, but it does come down pretty fast, so I'm going to let this come down. Now also, if you do want to get earlier versions of Windows 10, maybe you're not quite happy with the 1909 version and you want to get one slightly back, you can do. You can still get those versions by downloading them like this using this method. We've now finished downloading that, and I'm going to click close, and we can pull our ISO over, and this is our ISO image here. So you'll see it is 4.7 gigabytes in size. I'll just do a quick look at the properties here just to show you, and there we are. There's our 4.72 gigabytes in size. And we can now use Rufus to put that onto our USB flash drive, make it bootable, stick it in our computer, and then go ahead and install as you would any other version of Windows 10. Anyway, that's going to be about it for this video. That's basically how you can download earlier versions of Windows 10 and 8.1 using Rufus, an awesome piece of software if you ask me, for creating bootable USB flash drives and also downloading those ISO images. My name has been Brian from briteccomputers.co.uk. Hope you found this one useful. If you did, then give it a thumbs up, and I shall see you again for another video tomorrow. Remember guys, stay safe out there, and I shall see you again real soon. Bye for now. Now if you haven't subscribed yet, hit the red subscribe button and then hit the bell notification button and click all to be notified when we upload new videos.